For sale, 1966 Chevy Nova. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 66 Nova, finished in blue with blue interior, two-door post car, loaded with upgrades. And as always, I'm going to tell you about it, fire it up, and then we'll drive it. And as always, go around it and point out anything that I see. So we'll start here in the front. I did say it was loaded with upgrades, and just to name a couple off the bat: 383 motor, turbo 350 transmission with a manual valve body and reverse pattern with gear vendor's overdrive. The fitment here is super nice. The way this lines up, the way all this lines up, that's very nice. I did right there, little tiny chip in the paint, cowl hood. The fitment front super nice. I know that there's just some marks on this front bumper there. I mean, it still looks, pretty nice, but there's just a little bit of marking. You see probably the worst spot right there. I do know that the back bumper is like brand new. So let's go ahead. Let me pop the hood here. Okay, to name a couple more upgrades. Holley dual feed carburetor, aluminum intake, Edelbrock aluminum headers. It's apparently got, I know there's MSD ignition, Excel wires, which are apparently like, I don't want to say top of the line, but like a really nice set to put on the car. Aluminum radiator, dual electric fans. It has a Heidts Super Ride 2 front clip with rack and pinion. That's why the shock towers are gone, and they finished that super nice as well. Tubular upper and lower control arms, which I feel like is assumed to go with it at this point. Coilovers that you see down there in the front and back that are both adjustable. Really nice finish to this. I like the way they finished the firewall in a different color. Underhood, super nice. Trying to think if there's anything that I missed. No. I know it has Wilwood disc brakes in the front with extended, those are extended more. Can't think of that term off the top of my head, but those have a smoky American racing wheel on it. Let me see here. I see a little tiny mark in the paint right there. Let's keep going. See a little chip right there where the fender lines up. Nice there. All the glass all the way around, pretty much in excellent condition. Weather stripping, same thing. Trim around the window, very nice. Nice fitment on the door. I think you saw it. A little, chip down in the corner. Nice lowers. Nope, that was dust. Let's see what this is. That was nothing again. Must have been something that shot up when we were backing it up here. Nice door fitment. Okay. I know a lot of people like your two-door post cars because they're a more stable body for having more performance. I may as well pop the door open, show you the door panel, and then read my sheet, see if there was anything else. Very nice interior there. You see the VIN tag in place. Look at this. Ow, hit my head. I have the number for the comp cam. The rear end, which I might as well go show you now. It's a narrowed 9-inch with strange axles and a 288 highway gear. Again, adjustable coilovers in the back, adjustable 4-link rear suspension that you see. So that's kind of that. I'm sure there's other stuff I'm missing that I'm going to have in the ad, like little miscellaneous upgrades, but we'll keep going here. Your seat, pretty much new condition. Nice carpet, smaller steering wheel with like the wood, like a teak outside. Auto meter gauges. Dash pad, nice condition. I know it's some dust. Paint's nice there. No radio, which is fine. They You know, if you want a radio, put it in. Your shifter down there. Mint headliner. Keep going. Got the key? Yep. The exhaust does sound very nice, comes out of the side, in front of the rear wheel. I know you saw it. They said the back bumper, other than where the license plate would go, really nice condition. Fitment of the trunk, nice. Pop the trunk here. I do have seat belts, probably for the front, that are included, that match the interior. Put those there. Batteries move to the back. Nice and clean back here. There you go. Weather stripping also pretty much new all the way around. Okay, just gonna pull the key out. I know there is a little nick right there on the paint. Little mark right there on the paint. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Let us know. 66 Nova, 2-door, post car, loaded with upgrades. 383, 350, trans, rack and pinion, Ford 9-inch, Heidts, Super Ride 2, subframe, gear vendors, overdrive, disc brakes, aluminum this, aluminum that. It's got a deep end oil pan as well, I know that. So we are getting to the point now where we're going to fire it up and then drive it. Little tiny stone chip right there. Thank you. one lap around. Not with the way the streets are.
No.
Then you can just pull it back on.